Zazuu, the most finest Zazuu, the most handsome Zazuu, the most prettiest Zazuu, the most delicious Zazuu, the portable Zazuu. Zazuu, you find, don't mind them.
Are you mad or something?
Are you wild?
Are you mad or something? Yeah, they hate, but they know.
What am I saying?
When it's time to pop, they have no sense.
As I ride we pop, more for scanners keep up. Bitch, I be going non-stop. Zazu, Akpi, that's so true. That's so true. Vitalanga, Gaza, and you lose with Tabacha, Runjupa, Mary, Kala, Daju,
Zazu, Okotua, Okotua,
and it's popping heavy. Tonight, this is the place to be. Everybody, I need you at one time say happy birthday! Yeah. Hey, don't forget I'm running for president of Nigeria. 2020. I take the first step here. I'm not regular. I come through like
Enugu 042 obodo ife niile na-eme, always one of the biggest places you can have your best fun and massive entertainment in the eastern part of Nigeria. Portable Zazuu chill out with Obi Cubana and Akpi Mama. We had a wonderful night at Gustavo birthday party there in Enugu. It was a complete shutdown, just the way you saw from the video, and yeah, I know you had fun. Anyway, in the comment section, share your thoughts. Let's know how you feel about Zazuu performance. I'm talking about Portable. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you guys on my next video.